Hey guys, it's Lacey here. So today's video would be on, sorry, I'm over here, a room tour. Sorry, I'm turning my lights on and turning my fans off. But today is the long-awaited room tour. So this room tour can be for anybody who likes room tours. So I'm going to show you guys in the light, and I'm going to show you guys again in complete dark. So, as you can see, here's my bed. This is just, cute. So, we're in front of my door. There's nothing at my door, nothing there. There it says Paris. You guys really can't, unless, there you go, Paris. I'm into Paris and unicorns all of a sudden. So, that can be anybody else's wants and hopes, but that's not mine. So, and next to that, this will soon become my car keys, but it's just a tassel. Not a tassel, but it says Class 20, 2018. That's the class and graduating year that I graduated from. A portable charger, and then my chain that was my color of seniors for assembly once. Over here is my closet. We're going to do a closet tour in the next video tomorrow probably, or in a couple of days we'll do that video. I'm assuming I wear my ring today, but yeah. Oh, here's my tattoo you guys never got to see personal. We have Christmas lights hanging from this bed. It is a full / twin. So here's my bed plus my dog. Her name is Savannah. And then this is her little spot. And then this will soon become, on top would become like a, I don't know what you would say, but like it could become a lounging spot because right behind me, or right in front of me, is my TV. So, yeah. Over here, my fingers out of the way probably will help, is my dresser, and I did this whiteboard today. So I changed it to Merry Christmas, Bluetooth headphones, just that's always there, and there's my Eiffel Tower, Namaste in bed all day, my fans, put behind and in front, a mirror, shoving it with crap, another purse. This was written out for me for my last day in California. These are decals that I bought long ago. My TV. A snuggle that I got from last Christmas. Sea turtle. Squishies. Because that's why my rings are there. My fridge, and those are my birthday cards. Medications. My vape, I do vape. It smells bomb. And this is the vape that I have. If anyone's wondering what it is, that's what it is. And my flower my sister gave me. And then we're at my makeup table. That word. My makeup table. It has makeup all throughout these drawers. On top, under my mirror is a little tray, and that has my earrings. So, yeah, I have two little pockets. That's all for the top for my work, and when I do drawings or whatever I have. And the bottom is just junk. My bucket is for a dog, and so much more. Then you come to my nightstand and in my window. So here is my nightstand. That thing's flashing back there is my Bluetooth speaker. My computer where I edit my videos or not. Trash can, chargers, and cords all back there. My house key. This guy. If you guys know somebody on YouTube by the name of Tassie Bogue, that is my older sister Cassandra. So she made me this. It's a unicorn pillow. She handmade it for me, and I love it so very much. So it's sitting on my bed now. This is my bed. This is a full mattress. So yeah. Christmas lights. I'll give you guys a little bit more of a glance on top. And the overview of my room. Hopefully that's not too fast, but I'm still learning. Oh, whatever drink I'm drinking is the Diet Sans Cola. So we'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.